Welcome to our in-depth look into a condition that many people have questions about. Micropenis. In today's video, we'll explain what micropenis is, explore its causes, and discuss current treatment options and solutions. Whether you're seeking to understand this condition for yourself or a loved one, this video is here to provide clear, evidence-based information. Micropenis is a medical condition where an adult penis is significantly smaller than the typical range. In clinical terms, it is defined as a penis that measures less than about 2.5 standard deviations below the average length for a given age. For adults, this generally means a stretched penile length of less than approximately 2.5 inches when not erect. It's important to note that micropenis is not a measure of sexual performance or fertility. It's a specific anatomical condition usually identified during infancy or early childhood. While the term might sound alarming, it is a recognized medical condition that can often be addressed with early intervention. In many cases, when diagnosed early, there are effective treatments that can help stimulate growth and improve quality of life. So, what leads to the development of micropenis? There are several factors, usually involving hormonal imbalances or genetic conditions. The growth of the penis is largely influenced by hormones during fetal development and early childhood. A deficiency in testosterone, or issues with how the body processes this hormone during key developmental periods, can lead to micropenis. Conditions such as hypogonadotropic hypogonadism, where the brain doesn't properly signal the testes to produce testosterone, are common culprits. Congenital and genetic conditions. Some genetic syndromes, such as Klinefelter syndrome or other chromosomal anomalies, can affect normal sexual development. These conditions may not only influence the size of the penis, but can also affect other aspects of development. It's important to understand that these syndromes are complex and have a range of symptoms that require comprehensive medical management. In some cases, a deficiency in growth hormone during infancy can contribute to underdevelopment of the genitalia. This is not solely about testosterone. It's a more general issue of overall growth that sometimes manifests as micropenis. Idiopathic cases. For some individuals, no specific cause is identified. These cases, sometimes termed idiopathic, mean that despite thorough testing, the exact reason behind the condition remains unclear. Even in these situations, however, effective management strategies are often available. If micropenis is detected early, often during infancy or early childhood, there are several treatment options available. The approach usually depends on the underlying cause, and a multidisciplinary team including pediatric endocrinologists, urologists, and sometimes psychologists is typically involved. Hormonal therapy. One of the primary treatments is testosterone therapy. Administered during a critical period in early childhood, testosterone injections can stimulate penile growth. In many cases, early treatment results in significant improvements in size. The key is early detection, which is why routine pediatric checkups play such an important role. Growth hormone therapy. For cases where growth hormone deficiency is a contributing factor, doctors might recommend growth hormone therapy. This treatment is tailored to address the overall growth issues and can have a beneficial effect on penile development as well. Surgical options. In situations where hormonal treatments may not yield sufficient results, or when the condition is discovered later in life, surgical interventions might be considered. While surgery is less common than hormonal therapy, it can be an option for adults who desire corrective procedures. Surgical options should always be discussed thoroughly with a qualified specialist who can assess the risks and benefits. Psychological and emotional support. Beyond the physical aspects of micropenis, there's an important psychological component. Individuals facing this condition may experience anxiety or self-esteem issues. Counseling and support groups provide a safe space to discuss concerns and learn coping strategies. Psychological support is a vital part of a comprehensive treatment plan, ensuring overall well-being. Historical insights. Medical texts from decades past have documented cases of micropenis long before modern hormone therapies were available. These early observations paved the way for today's understanding of the condition. As medical science advanced, researchers began to uncover the critical role of testosterone in early development, leading to the innovative treatments we see today. Research and progress. Advances in pediatric endocrinology have revolutionized the approach to treating micropenis. Ongoing research continues to refine hormone therapy protocols, ensuring that treatments are both safe and effective. The progress in this field is a testament to the importance of early diagnosis and intervention. In many cultures, discussions about genital development are still considered taboo, which can lead to delays in diagnosis and treatment. Increasing awareness and open dialogue have helped break down these barriers, encouraging families to seek medical advice when concerns arise. Education and transparency are key to improving outcomes. For those who have been diagnosed with micropenis, it's important to remember that the condition does not define your entire identity or potential for a fulfilling life. Advances in treatment, along with supportive counseling, mean that many individuals go on to lead happy, healthy lives. Open communication with healthcare providers is essential to develop a treatment plan that is tailored to each person's needs. It's also crucial to separate myths from facts. Micropenis is a medical condition with a clear set of treatment options. With proper care, many of the associated challenges can be managed effectively. Whether through hormone therapy, growth hormone treatments, or psychological support, there is hope and help available. To sum up, micropenis is a condition where the penis is significantly smaller than average due to a range of potential causes, from hormonal imbalances and genetic conditions to growth hormone deficiencies, and, in some cases, idiopathic factors. The good news is that early diagnosis can lead to effective treatments, including hormonal therapy, growth hormone therapy, and, if necessary, surgical interventions. Additionally, psychological support plays a crucial role in ensuring that individuals feel confident and supported. If you or someone you know is facing concerns about genital development, we encourage you to seek advice from a trusted healthcare provider. Early intervention can make a big difference, and you deserve to have all the information and support needed to lead a healthy life. Thank you for joining us in today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more medically accurate and engaging content. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed and take care of your health. Until next time, stay well and keep learning.